हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम लोग आलू गोभी बनाएंगे। सो वी हैव द वन गोभी विच आई हैव स्लाइस्ड इनटू द पीसेस। वी हैव पोटैटो, दिस इज onion, and we have ginger garlic paste right here. We are using going to have the regular masala. If you see that we have salt, red chili, dhania, haldi, garam masala, jeera, and rai. We are not using rai, but just we have put the pan and added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and we'll heat for another 1 to 2 minutes before we put the hing, pinch of hing and jeera, before we putting the onion and the ginger garlic paste. The oil is heated. Let's put a pinch of hing, jeera. Let it crackle for another couple of seconds. Now it's time to put ginger garlic paste. It's a plain simple gobi जो घर में सब लोग खाते हैं. I'm not putting so very much too much of masala in here. Now it's time to put onion. Onion डालने के बाद probably we need to wait another 1 to 2 minutes जब तक ये golden brown ना हो जाए. You see the प्याज golden brown हो गई है. It's time to add masala. Start with haldi. 1 to 2 small tablespoons of haldi. Lal mirch, you can see that not too much. Little bit of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of dhania, and we'll add the salt later, not now. Let it wait for masala to mix with the onion. And after that we'll put tomato. Masala ho gaya ready. Now it's time to put tomato. I'm not using too much of tomato. It's only one large one. Let the tomato cook with the masala. And now let's put the salt as per the taste. It's not a gravy aloo. It's simple plain aloo which you can eat with chapati, puri or paratha. It will taste very good. जब ये मसाला हो जाएगा, once you see that oil is little bit oozing outside, then it's to remind you that masala is cooked properly. And after that we'll put there is called Kasoori Methi, which will give the very blended taste for the sabzi. So let tomato cook properly for another 1 to 2 minutes with masala before we start adding the Kasoori Methi and the sabzi. Let's check how it is. If you can see that oil is coming up, इसका मतलब ये मसाला पक गया है. और जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि it's time to add Kasoori Methi. Just crush it with your hand. Mix it well. Once you see Kasoori Methi is mixed well with the masala, it's time to add potato. You can name this sabji as aloo gobi with Kasoori Methi or Kasoori Methi Aloo Gobhi, either way. Let aloo mix with this masala before we adding the gobi, and we need to cook it cook it with medium flame. Otherwise, if you put on the high flame, there's chances it will get burned out. So slow and slowly it will cook and give the blended taste. Now I'm adding gobi after 1 minute. And once you mix it with masala and potato, cover it up with the lid and wait for another, keep looking at 5 to 10 minutes for it to cook properly. As I said earlier, slow and medium flame, it's gonna be fine. Mix it well before putting the lid on. I mixed gobi potato with masala very well. I'm putting the lid now. I will wait for keep looking at least after 5 minutes and see how it's going. I didn't put the flame, it's a low flame, but I will put to the medium so that it won't get burned out. So let's wait. 5 से 10 मिनट हो गए इसको आलू गोभी को. If you see मसाले का कलर गोभी पे आ गया है. It's looking good. As I said, medium and slow heat. It will take more time, but the taste at the end of the once it's cooked properly, right, it will be very good. And at the last when it's cooked, we'll garnish with the coriander leaves. So it will take another, I would say, 10 more minutes before we take it out from the gas and we'll put the coriander for the garnishing. So let's wait. आलू गोभी फिर से 15 मिनट हो गए इसको पकते हुए. If you need to check it whether it's cooked well or not, so use a spoon and press. Not yet. Still taking more time to. It's not cooked properly, not yet. It will take another 5-10 minutes to cook it. सब्जी हो गई है यहाँ पे. किसी के पता चला कि it will take it very easily. So similarly with gobi, it's good. We'll wait for another 2 minutes, I would say, before we put the coriander leaves for the garnishing. I'm putting the dhania here. ऐसे पूरी garnishing सब्जी हो गई है यहाँ पे. And that will turn on the gas. Aloo gobi is ready. If you see, the color looks very good. Both gobi and potato are cooked very well. I'm going to turn on the gas right now.